Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott new air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, W221, or CL-Class, C216. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the front skid plate from underneath the vehicle to expose the air suspension compressor. Next, locate and remove the airline from the compressor. Remove the airline fitting from the airline and discard it. Now locate and remove the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Next, pinch and slide the clamp off of the fitting to remove the larger rubber hose from the compressor. Now locate and remove the three mounting nuts holding the compressor to the vehicle. Please note that the factory isolators will be reused in the installation process. Remove the compressor and mounting hardware from the vehicle. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and/or void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Then start the installation by installing the new compressor and mounting hardware onto the vehicle. Next, install the three mounting nuts holding the compressor to the vehicle. Reuse the rubber isolators. Secure the larger rubber hose to the compressor by attaching the clamp to the fitting. Now, reconnect the two electrical connectors to the compressor. Insert the airline into the compressor, making sure it is securely seated, and replace the front skid plate underneath the vehicle. Lastly, install the included relay, which is located on the left side of the vehicle in the engine compartment. The installation is now complete. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on installing a new Arnott air suspension compressor. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.